Hi, my name is Ashley Noseworthy. I'm the CEO and founder of Edgewise Environmental. Edgewise is a marine environmental consultancy based in St. John's, Newfoundland, and we focus in marine mammals, seabirds, and underwater noise. We've worked coast to coast, from our home base all the way to Vancouver and everywhere in between. We've really grown as a company over these past 3 years. We've added team members, we've enhanced our training, our consultancy services, and even in the middle of a pandemic, we started our very own research and development program. Canada has the largest coastline in the world. It's really important that we ensure stewardship through enhanced ocean conservation as we move forward and we increase our potential impact on the ocean. We want to make sure that we make our services as well as our training accessible to industry, to academia, to government, and to personnel just like you. We have big dreams for ocean conservation and for ocean management, particularly within Canada.